Hi, this is Christina within the garden, and today we're looking at our hydrangea plant. This is a plant that we potted up for Mother's Day. When we received it, it was both pink and blue. Today it is a little downturned and the color has been lost out of the leaves. Interestingly about hydrangeas is that they will adapt to their soil acidity. So something you can do is add soil acidifier. This is a great option if you're looking to create some nutrients in your soil for both hydrangeas and blueberries. Some of the directions say that you can start this application in the spring and then repeat it every 60 days. This is going to keep your plant healthy and happy, whether you're planting into the landscape or in a planted pot. We're going to add 1 tablespoon for every 4 inches of soil. So we're going to open this and sprinkle out what's needed. Next, you're going to want to water this plant in to make sure that fertilizer is activated. It also says made with solar power. I just know that adding some water and some sunshine will keep this plant healthy and happy for you. Thank you for joining us today. Again, this is a hydrangea, and as you can see, it gets a little unhappy. Too much sun is not a hydrangea's friend. It gets a little burnt on the leaves, but it will regrow blooms. Let's just see if we can fix the coloring with this soil acidifier, and if not, you can cut back the blooms and allow fresh ones to grow in their place. Thank you again. This is Christina within the garden. If you like this video, please tag us down in the comments what you liked about it, what you'd like to see more of. Also, boop the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great evening.